You can also add Yuba and Sutter counties to that list. Early on in the pandemic, you'll recall they were the first to defy the state lockdown.
And now, with cases skyrocketing, they're one of the first to reinstate it. CBS 13's Anna Giles is live in Marysville with the community going back to the beginning. Anna.
Hey guys, we're standing outside the only hospital in the area, and tonight we're told there are no ICU beds available. Health officials say the burden on hospital staff is too much, but the new advisory comes at a price for local businesses. It's last call for a table at the restaurants in Yuba and Sutter counties. A county health advisory kicks in Monday, asking restaurants to only do takeout.
Yes, I would just wish everybody would have worn their masks so that we could be enjoying dinners every weekend.
Yuba and Sutter County health leaders say for every 5 people that get tested for coronavirus, at least 1 is testing positive. And it's one of the worst positivity rates in the state.
We're all in the same boat, and we're all going to do whatever we think is best for us to be able to survive.
Restaurants that choose to follow the advisory are back where they started this pandemic. Octavio Perez owns Marcello's and is one of many who just invested thousands of dollars in tents and heaters for outdoor dining that he won't use for weeks.
It's hard to keep your staff, for you put them in unemployment for a couple of months, and then when you want to bring it back, they're no longer available.
The advisory also recommends schools go back to distance learning.
If they have to condense it down and get a hold on it, then so be it. But the schools, that's where I'm like, I don't feel it being a really big problem.
County leaders say what they're asking people to do is crucial to slowing the spread, and they're depending on restaurants like Marcello's that follow the rules, even though business there is down 50%.
It's very simple. I don't worry about things that I cannot control.
Yeah, Yuba and Sutter counties are also asking people to limit outings outside the home to once per week. So things like going to get groceries or your medication. But of course, county health officials remind people these are just strong recommendations. They're not mandatory.